Not all the best OBD2 scanners are created equal. There are two general types of devices, handhelds and wireless scanners, with fairly self-explanatory names. Whichever type you choose, there are several high-performance OBD2 scanners that cost less than $150. The best OBD2 scanners are no longer an unaffordable luxury, but something you need to have in your car. Number 1, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool. If you are looking for the best OBD2 scanner with a great balance of price and affordability, the BlueDriver Scan Tool is a great choice. In the modern world, there's no reason for a bulky scan tool that takes up a ton of space in your toolbox. With the BlueDriver Bluetooth scanner, you get a compact scan tool that works with your mobile device to give you up-to-the-second results. The entire system is completely wireless, user-friendly, and customizable. Since you're using your phone, you can easily record and screenshot data, which is useful for showing customers to explain the problem or to technicians for some additional advice. If you're an at-home mechanic or an overall novice, these features can be everything you need to prod you in the right direction. Not only do they offer likely solutions, but they also offer links to the parts you'll need to fix your vehicle. However, while the entire setup is user-friendly, there isn't a physical screen. You must pair it up with a mobile device. So if you're not tech-savvy or don't have a connected device, this isn't the OBD2 scan tool for you. But since most people have a compatible mobile device, this is everything you could ask for and more. Pros: good mix of price and features, iPhone/Android compatible, unlimited vehicle repair reports, completely wireless. Cons: no physical screen. You must use a phone. Number 2, BAFX Products Bluetooth Diagnostic OBDII Reader. We've already seen a wireless OBD2 scanner from BlueDriver, but this model from BAFX works about the same. However, the most significant difference is that it doesn't come with its own mobile app, so you have to find one that works. However, that can be an advantage in most situations. Overall, being able to diagnose and monitor your car remotely is such a benefit. Thus, rather than having to find your code scanner, plug it in, and then wait for the data to come out, you're always ready to go. With your smartphone, technically speaking, this will work on all OBD2 scanner-compliant cars. However, since it doesn't come with a proprietary app, the codes will be dependent on that. Thus, we suggest finding an app that has your make and model included. Like with the BlueDriver model, you can keep this scanner connected. However, be sure to remove it if you're not planning on driving for a while, as it will slowly draw power from the battery. As is common, you can use this device and the app to read and clear check engine lights, check your emissions and confirm that your O2 sensors are working properly. Pros: wireless connection, works on all OBD2 cars, syncs with most third-party apps, can stay plugged in. Cons: only available for Android devices. Number 3, Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. If you need an OBD2 scanner that gives you more control over the data it produces, then this Foxwell option is one of the best OBD2 scanners with live data. We like that this is a full-color screen with an easy-to-use interface. As is common, you power this scanner by plugging it into your car. With this scanner, you can run comprehensive diagnostics on your engine, including O2 sensors, emissions, and even turn off your check engine light. We like that you can graph live vehicle sensor data and even connect this device to a printer to keep your diagnostics report in physical form. You'll also like that this scanner is equipped with green, yellow, and red LEDs and a built-in speaker to provide clear results for emissions tests. This model also supports generic and manufacturer-specific codes and shows the definition automatically. You can also view freeze-frame data. If you want your car to be prepared for anything, you may also want to pick up the best gas can for your car. A full-color screen and the ability to support live data graphing and logging make this one of the best OBD2 scanners with live data. Pros: full-color screen, live data graphing and logging, no battery required, crisp, clear screen. Cons: inconsistent foreign car support. Number 4, AutoLink AL319 OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. Some people don't trust going to a mechanic because of concerns that they'll get taken for a ride with a laundry list of auto problems that may or may not exist. For the DIYer, we recommend the AutoLink scanner. This is a simple plug-and-play style OBD2 scanner that is ideal for basic engine diagnostics and emission analytics. The Autel scanner also supports all standard OBD2 protocols: KWP 2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPW, J1850 PWM, and CAN. We like that, as is standard with Level 1 OBD2 scanners. This is a great option that displays error codes as well as brief descriptions. This budget-friendly tool also supports live data and freeze-frame displays. We also like that this model supports 7 different languages, and a long connection cable to power this device through your car. You'll also have VIN reading and code clearing support with this OBD2 scanner. If you want to make your car smell nice too, take a look at the best car diffuser for your next drive, or take a look at our best leather steering wheel cover. If you need something that's comfortable and easy to install. Pros: great plug and amp, play design, clear code descriptions, full color display. Cons: doesn't support DTC fault code lookup. Number 5, Ancel AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner. For the remainder of our best OBD2 scanners, we'll be looking at standard handheld units that plug into your car's OBD2 port. As we mentioned above, this style of device is ideal for those who are enthusiastic about monitoring their vehicle's health but don't necessarily want to do the repairs themselves. When using scanners like this, one issue that many of them seem to have is that the screen is way too small. Although 2.5 inches doesn't sound like much, the layout of the screen is sufficient so that you can read the menu and the error codes without any problems. As software gets older, it starts to break down and work less efficiently. Thankfully, all you have to do is plug this unit into your computer and download updates from the company's site. Thus, this model will always be reliable. It won't come up for the DIY crowd, but if you work a shop or run one, this could be a potential deal breaker. Pros: compact handheld scanner, works with most makes and models, fast and easy operation, backlit screen is easy to read, intuitive menu controls for more convenience. Cons: only diagnoses check engine light issues.